What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is very early for me. I mean, yeah, for me, because I'm not really a morning person, but we are fixing to head down to LA with the homie Herb. I don't know how many months ago it was when we worked on my brother's RT wagon, which he went fishing this morning, but I bought a fiberglass hood from Brian's SlimeBallBuilt, and I haven't made the time to go down there to pick it up because of, you know, traveling outside of Cali, a lot of garage stuff going on here, and I figured, you know what, it is time to go pick it up. I don't want the hood to be storing at his place free of charge, but big shout out to Brian for holding it for me. I asked Herb because he came by and I was like, what are you doing this weekend?
Nothing.
And it just so happened to be a meet going down there as well too, so we were like, you know what, let's make a weekend out of it, let's have some fun, let's head to LA.
Hell yeah.
Herb came prepared, bro. You know what I'm saying? The road trip snack. You got the original Jack Links. Definitely not eating the Howard. That's all you, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got the imitation Pringles called Stacks. Quit holding up the trip, bro.
Mr. Prince over here.
Mr. Prince over here.
Alright, let's get back on the road.
So guys, we are about to cross into Los Angeles. The sign is right there, city limits. And I don't really like SoCal because of its traffic, maybe because I'm so used to not having crazy congested traffic up in NorCal. But it's either we get stuck in SoCal for people who don't know how to drive, or we have cops that block the entire freeway and cause traffic. We are literally dead stop and not entirely sure what's going on over there because I can't see it. But after I don't know how many hours, because man, all I heard was that transmission downshifting 1,000 times, and we made it here. I slept for maybe an hour. I literally slept through all of the Grapevine, and then that's probably like an hour, and we're about to cross into LA. Not entirely sure what our first destination is because the homie Brian hasn't got back to me, so we're just gonna head east, and maybe we'll stop by somebody's house. We'll see. We'll see.
Fun.
All the stop and go, bro, I swear. But we're almost there though. We're almost there. Almost there.
I'm here for it.
Hey guys, guess what? More traffic. Hell yeah.
We heard you're like, wait.
Anyways,
They'll be like,
they're talking about these burritos, and now I'm kind of.
We'll be talking about Avatar. What y'all doing?
We're just watching the show.
These boys are hungry, and I know that, man. They've been talking about burritos and what else? You're gonna wrap it in what?
A 12-inch
quesadilla.
12-inch quesadilla wrapped in
the guacamole, the greens though. You gotta have the lettuce, the cilantro, the pico de
Gotta do it
gallo.
up.
Telling you, bro. This dude's my little kid right there, bro. He'll use the storm, bro.
That's a guy's best friend right there.
I saw his picture when he was younger, bro. This guy knows food, all right?
Yes,
He's called the vacuum.
Yeah,
The vacuum cleaner?
bro.
Self-explanatory, guys. Self-explanatory.
Put me in a quinceañera. I'm finishing 60.
Hey, what time did we get here?
We got here at 2:25.
2:25, guys. It is 6:50. We've been hanging out with Brian and his family. We are out here in SoCal right now, picking up the hood from my brother's car. I ordered how many months ago, dude? Like last year? Last summer?
3 months ago, 3.5 months
Damn,
ago.
I bought this a long time ago, but big shout out to Brian for holding this hood for me at his home, and I finally made the way to come out here. Big shout out to her for bringing me out here to pick this up for my brother. Because if you guys remember when I worked on my brother's car, We try to get the supercharger to stay underneath the hood, but we are using the USDM hood, which caves the opposite direction of this one. This is the SIR style, which humps up, and it has a ton of clearance on the backside for the supercharger pulley. So this thing is raw fiberglass. It's gonna need a little bit of work because it is 2K primed, and this is fresh off the mold. So we are gonna do body work, obviously, because I need to paint this to match the car, which is kind of like the color of his sweater right there. But we're gonna be bringing this back home so I can get to work on it and get it installed in my brother's car, because yesterday he was like, I want to hide the pulley. I want to hide the pulley under my car because I don't want to be exposed. Yeah, so we out here now, you know, and big shout out to Brian, SlimeBallBuilt. This guy right here makes all the hood for
EF chassis,
for the wagons, for the CRX, the hatch,
and also now for sedans.
Yeah, dude, I seen the sedan hood. He brought one out earlier, the SIR carbon style. That thing is fire, bro. And you guys already know I'm gonna have to cop one for myself. But if you guys want to contact him,
hit me up at SlimeBallBuilt on Instagram.
On Instagram, but you're also on Facebook. So if you guys have him on Facebook as well too.
Hit me up on Brian. My name is Brian Maldonado, so just hit me up there, and you know, feel free to message me, and we'll talk about it from there. Yeah,
and you guys already know I'm gonna plug him in the description below. But also one more thing, man. Shout out to the homie Honda Vlogs. Big support with that sweater though.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Keeps your eyes warm, bro.
Hell yeah. He's still, when he brought it out, I was like, yo, I gotta give him a shout out, most definitely, man. But I know this guy over here talking about, still thinking about burritos, so we're gonna have to get out of here soon because we've been here for a cool minute. Can't forget about the dog. Pick him up real quick. You want burrito? You want burrito? I think the burrito might be heavier than his dog, to be honest with you. Yeah, but big shout out to this guy for allowing us to hang out today. You know, him and his family, his kids. This guy's pretty damn funny. I don't know what it is with him and food, but
ADHD.
You know what I'm saying? But we had a great chat out here tonight. We are still going to be adding more to this video because we're going to get into some things tomorrow, depending on the weather.
Yes, sir.
And then tomorrow we're going to be head back home as well too.
Baby.
Regardless, we're gonna have to.
That's what I came down here for.
Hey, okay,
this was all just extra.
This is just the extra stuff. This is the 4-hour extra stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So right now we're probably gonna head west because we're gonna be doing some things out there tomorrow. So we're gonna go grab some food right now and see what else we get into. Good morning, you guys. So it is the next day, and last night when we left SlimeBall's place, we were headed to Loco Burrito, but we didn't even make it there.
Burrito or bacon wrap burrito, baby.
Man, we actually didn't make it there because we ended up finding out that our friends that we were headed to was actually in the same city we were at. So we ended up just turning around and meeting up with them at a baby shower.
Yeah.
And then we got blessed with a whole tray of chicken wings, bro.
Hospitality.
Where is it at?
It's all under here.
Oh man, it's tucked under there somewhere, but
I got you.
Look at that, man. They hooked it up. So we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the next like 20 days, bro.
Rice, chicken, meat.
Big shout out to Mario for inviting us over to his unexpected baby shower because we didn't know, and we hung out with them, the family, and the friends. So we got here last night at Travelodge. Man, let me tell you guys, this place got a 3-star rating, and I understand why. The room was mid. It was clean. The TV didn't work.
Coffee was okay.
Coffee was okay. Microwave didn't work. But at the end of the day, I got a few hours of rest, and right now we're headed to the beach to
go to old school Honda meet, baby.
Old school Honda meet.
Old school versus new school.
Old school versus new school. So we're headed over there right now just to kind of check out some whips before we head home. So we're about 30 minutes out.
Just about 25 last time checked.
Let's get to it. So we just seen a ton of cars leaving the venue, and they're all headed somewhere. I'm almost certain that they're blocking the parking lot because everybody's making a U-turn, and we don't know where they're going.
Gotta check IG. Let's see for some updates.
Yeah, check out Old School Honda and see.
Yes, sir. Canceled. Holy
canceled?
fuck. Meet is canceled due to something getting into parking valet guy. Really? Somebody got into a fight with the parking valet guy.
Oh wow.
Wow. Thanks to that guy, they shut us down. We apologize for the inconvenience. Wow, that hurt my feelings.
Honestly, I'm ready to go home, so we'll figure something out. Looks like Miguel's actually gonna pop open his e-camper for us.
So it may be worth it.
It's awesome.
2 classes in the schedule just to keep them.
It's pretty sick. I seen his bed inside it too. That is so cool.
That was sick. That's awesome. So there's pull handles in there that he had to pull to get.
Yeah,
pop
and
up.
easy access from the moonroof. Look at
Yep.
that. This thing is so dialed.
Yeah,
Dana, we gonna get you an element, bro. We gonna get you an element, gang.
Man, these guys are trying to get me to get into an element, dude. I don't know, man. The whole entire drive, I was like, man, it got dark so fast. And then I realized, you know what? I got my sunshades on the entire time. Sonic Black. What you get to drink?
Cherry limeade.
Oh, cherry lime, man.
Yeah.
They didn't have the Reese's Blast, the Sonic Blast, bro. I'm so mad.
It's rough.
I haven't had Sonic in all of these years, bro. Yeah, they didn't have Sonic, man. I'm cleaning my ice.
It's okay, bro.
That was a freaking machine.
Dude, the guy was using the ice cream machine.
It's like, it's like McDonald's and the McFlurry bullshit, bro.
I saw that shit. He was like, oh yeah, we're cleaning the machines. We both looked at him through the window, and as he was doing this, and he looked at us, and he just turned. I'm like, caught your ass red-handed.
I'm big mad. Anyways, guys, so we just got to Gilroy, which is 30 minutes away from home. Herb has been jamming out, flying down the 5 from LA, and we literally got here in like under 5 hours. That's crazy. Under 5 hours, man. We went through sunlight, clouds, we went through a downpour of rain, and then it was dry again. But we just got off the mountain. We decided to grab some Sonics since we didn't really eat all day, so got our food now. We're just chowing down in the parking lot. We're both starving, I'm sure. I mean, I ate some chicken left over from the baby shower from yesterday, so had a couple of those, and wanted to top it off with some Sonic Blast, but apparently the machine didn't work, which is BS. But anyways,
not today, Junior.
Not today, Junior. Too soon, Junior. Anyways, I want to give a big shout out to her for taking on this venture and taking me all the way down to SoCal to meet up with Brian SlimeBall. Big shout out to SlimeBall as well too, to pick up my brother's SIR hood. Finally, this thing is freaking awesome. It is a fiberglass version, so I am going to be doing body work and paint it Laguna Gold, which is the color of my brother's car, because this is for his brown car with the supercharger, where I've already dropped the engine, but the pulley on the supercharger is still sticking up a little bit, and with the SIR hump in the middle, it should help clear the pulley or hide it underneath the hood. But again, big shout out to her for taking me, man, and this has been one hell of an adventure, man.
I would say so.
Yeah, I mean, normally when I go to LA, it's like a 24 hour turnaround. Go there, do my thing, come home. But it's nice to like take this trip and then relax in between, you know, stay the night, and then, you know, do whatever we got to do, and then come home not so tired. Herb did sleep in his element here with his, you know, his setup, and I did book a hotel because I wasn't trying to cuddle with him, because his dog got all the loving, and I didn't want to rob his loving from the dog. So anyways, we both had a good night's sleep, and we unfortunately went to the meet, which was canceled because somebody got into an argument with
one of the booth taker tenants.
Yeah, one of the booth tenants. So they started turning every Honda out of the booth away from the place where the meet was at, and if you weren't in there already, you weren't making it in. So they ended up canceling it on Instagram, which sucked, because that was definitely one of our goals to attend, going to SoCal. But at the end of the day, we got the hood for me and my brother. He got to meet up with some of his Element friends, which was freaking awesome. Some of them guys also had their own YouTube channel. Miguel and Steve.
Element and Stefano Docchio, yeah.
They both have their own Element YouTube channel, which is cool because, man, Miguel's rig was the orange one. Was pretty damn sick, man, with the e-camper on top.
Yup.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, despite whatever happened, we definitely still made it a great one, and stoked to be back home because I got to get back on the grind tomorrow. Herb's got work tomorrow as well too, so we got a couple of hours to spare. But yeah, man, that's just a quick little adventure down to SoCal, and hopefully we get back on regular scheduling here real soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you guys want to stick around for some more car content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.